Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. It's day 10 in our 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and boy, have I got an awesome prize for you today. Now, before I get to this, what would you call an elf that just won the big lottery? I'd call him wealthy. Now, I know these jokes are corny, but I promise you, if you tell your family, they'll probably moan first, but then they'll smile, and that's all we're really looking for here. So, on the 10th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new Wyze PTZ Indoor-Outdoor camera. That's right, and man, is that a mouthful. But that's exactly what you're getting. It's from our good friends over at Wyze, and this camera has all of the features you'll ever want in a security camera, starting with the fact that it's got night vision, so it can record beautiful footage at night and during the day, and all that footage is in high definition. That footage can be stored on an SD card inside the unit or uploaded to the cloud, so you can review it from anywhere in the world. But it doesn't stop there. It also has two-way audio, which means you can listen to what's going on, and you can also talk through the speaker in this camera. If you've got it set up on your front porch, maybe you see a delivery guy dropping off a package, you can say, hey, thanks a lot for the package, Merry Christmas to you, and you can hear what he has to say back. Hopefully it's something nice. It also has motion tracking, which means if something moves in front of the camera, it's going to generate an alert to your phone, and it's going to start recording. So you can set it up in your backyard. If you're looking for Santa to arrive with the reindeer, maybe you'll catch a picture of a reindeer. Or if you set it up in your kitchen, you can figure out who's eating all those Christmas cookies, and you can tell them to stop eating the Christmas cookies. Anyway, it's got that built in. It's also a PTZ camera, which means it's pan, tilt, and zoom. The camera will move around, so if it sees motion, it's going to track what's going on and follow it all over your backyard or all over your kitchen. So it's an incredibly smart camera, and again, it's indoor-outdoor, so you can use it anywhere inside your home, and it's got an IP65 rating, which means you can use it outside your home as well. And it's all in this tiny little camera. So that's what we're giving away today. Now, the contest could not be simpler. It's just like all the other contests we've done up to this point. Down below, you'll find a link. If you hit the link, it'll ask for your email and your YouTube username. Put both of those in there, and the only reason I need two of them is because we send a lot of emails out going, hey, you won the contest, and we never hear back from the person, and I got to send another one, and then I have to figure out their YouTube name. So put all that detail in there so I can definitely get a hold of you, and please check your spam folders, because when we send the email out, we want you to get the prize, and sometimes it ends up in a spam folder. So anyway, after 7 days, we'll take a look at all of those, and we'll actually look at them, but we'll pull a winner out of the group that entered, and we'll send you an email saying, hey, good news, you won the Wyze PTZ Indoor-Outdoor camera. Send us your address. We put this in a box, we ship it to you, we don't ask for anything in return. We don't want shipping costs. We don't want anything from you. Just a big smile when you open up the box and start using this beautiful camera. And again, I don't care where in the world you live. You could live in Sheboygan. Now, anybody who lives in Sheboygan knows that I've picked on Sheboygan because it's fun to say, Sheboygan, Sheboygan. I like that name a lot, and I've never been to Sheboygan. So I thought last year, I picked on it so much that I got to go to Sheboygan. And we happened to take a vacation to the Upper Peninsula in Michigan. And guess what? I stopped in Sheboygan, got a cup of coffee, talked to a few people, and here's a picture of me pointing at a sign in Sheboygan just to make sure you know that I was there. What a beautiful area. So I'll stop picking on it because I could live there. I'd be very, very happy in Sheboygan. But anyway, on to the contest. So enter the contest for today. There were 9 other days of contests that we've already put up. Some of those are still active, so go back and enter those as well, because each contest is by itself. We're not going to use the same names for all the contests, so you have to enter every day, but go back and do that. And another way to make sure you don't miss one is to hit that subscribe button down in the corner there, and that way when we post a new clip, I've got 2 more days coming, you'll get a little ding on your phone, and you can run over here and you can enter the contest, and maybe you'll get some Christmas cheer, and you can always unsubscribe later if you get tired of listening to me. But anyway, do that, and that way you're sure you're going to know when a new contest goes up. Now, here's the thing. Today's day 10. I have 2 more days coming, and I have some special guests lined up for those 2 days. So that's going to be exciting on its own. We're going to have that Jokerama we do every year, and that's going to be fun. But these last 2 prizes are unbelievable. I could not believe that these were donated to the channel to give away for this Christmas holiday. I could not be happier. You're definitely going to want to tune in for those last 2 days. So that's pretty much it for me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful season. I hope you're getting a little bit of snow. You're getting outside, maybe a snowball fight or 2, building a snowman in the front yard, all the cool things we do at Christmas time. And I hope you have a wonderful holiday season either way. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and until next time, or at least until tomorrow, happy flying.